is Monday, February 13th. Hope you got all your Valentines organized for tomorrow, because tomorrow's the day. My husband sent me amazingly gorgeous flowers. I should have taken a picture of them and shown them to you. They're beautiful. If you're in the store, come look. I went and got my hair cut today, which you can tell. Number one, I didn't do it, which is, it'll be better tomorrow. But number two, I was like, Doug, seriously? Did you leave me any hair? Anyway, it looks extra short to me, but it'll grow. That's the good news. It'll grow. All right, enough whining. I have failed to show you all these new bags that Ray has brought in, so I thought I would highlight those tonight, okay? So all of these medium-sized bags, which are great, are $55. Her patterns are adorable, and her workmanship is phenomenal. So this is a cute little sheepy one, which I think is darling. She puts darling coordinated fabric on the bottom. The zippers are great, and inside a complimentary lining and pockets. It's just great, and then it has this great web handle. So fabulous. So here are the sheepies in my colors, right? And then if you're into coffee or cocoa, this is very sweet, so to speak. Inside, darling polka dots. And the bottom is complimentary red. Looking very cute. All right, so that's that. Oh, I forgot to ask her what this is. This is some sort of trendy cat with matching polka dots. I think it's a caricature. It's something that I don't remember. And then in here is pockets that are complimentary and the lining. So those of you who know what this is, enjoy. You'll get it. It'll be great, especially if you're a cat lover. Bumblebees. So cute. Love the bumblebees with this darling gold polka dot lining. Love the bumblebees. We have hearts. It's Valentine's Day coming up, so hearts are great with the lavender bottom, and got the stuffing in here. Pink with the heart pockets. Cute, cute, cute. Valentine gnomes. We've sold several of these. This is so cute with the polka dot bottom and the striped inside. Looks like a candy striper with the polka dot pockets. So cute. The Sweet Farm chickens, geese, cows, pigs. Love it with, the chicken wire pattern bottom. Details, we love those details. Gray polka dots on the inside with the chicken wire pockets. And another sheepy one. Love this one. Multicolored rainbow sheep. Oh, fun. With a pink peachy patterned lining. So cute. Those are all $55. I have one large left, and it's a sheep bag, and it's amazing. The large is $68. Let's check the lining out. She's changed her style too. Cute little diamond pattern, but this has two handles, one on each side. So that's a little bit new for her. So anyway, fabulous. You need a bag. We all need a bag. Lots of bags. Every project needs a bag, right? All right. Happy Valentine's Day. I will tell you that again tomorrow. Have a good evening. And my hair will be better tomorrow, I promise. I promise. At least I hope. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.